In this video, I will show you how to change your username within Monopoly Go. So as you see, I'm now in Monopoly Go, and if I want to change my username, that's very easy. So basically I need to tap on those three lines in the upper right corner of my screen. So on those three lines, it's called the hamburger icon. Just tap on that, and here you see my name and my profile picture. You see the shop, network tokens, daily threads, map, board report, joiners, and you see settings. But I need to tap on my profile picture, so I do not need to tap on my name because that won't work. As you can see, I'm tapping on this name right now, but nothing happens. But I need to tap on my profile picture, so on that pic, as you can see. And here you see, you can change your avatar if you want to, but you also can tap on that pencil icon, and here you can change your name. So for example, I can change it to subscribe and then submit. So basically that's it. It's very easy, and you can change your name very easily. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.